In the vast tapestry of human connections, there exists a bond unlike any other. A bond so profound, so intense, that those who experience it describe it as finding their missing half, their perfect mirror. This is the area of twin flames, a concept that has captivated and mystified seekers of love and spiritual truth for centuries. But what exactly are twin flames? Are they simply a romantic ideal, a figment of our collective imagination? Or is there a deeper truth to this phenomenon, a connection that transcends the ordinary and looks us into the depths of our souls? In this documentary, we start on a journey to explore the mysteries of twin flame connections. We will look into the origins of this concept, tracing its roots through various cultures and spiritual traditions. We will hear from experts in the fields of psychology, spirituality, and relationships, who will offer their diverse perspectives on this enigmatic phenomenon. The concept of twin flames is not a new one. It has been referenced in various forms throughout history, from ancient Greek philosophy to Eastern spiritual teachings. In some traditions, twin flames are seen as two halves of the same soul, separated at the beginning of time and destined to reunite. In others, they are described as mirrors for each other, reflecting both the light and shadow aspects of their beings. Regardless of the specific interpretation, the core idea of twin flames remains consistent: that there exists a unique and powerful connection between two individuals, a connection that goes beyond the physical and emotional realms and taps into a deeper spiritual bond. This bond is said to be characterized by a feeling of wholeness, of coming home to oneself. Twin flames often report experiencing a sense of instant recognition upon meeting, as if they have known each other before, perhaps in a past life or on a soul level. This recognition is often accompanied by an intense attraction, a feeling of magnetic pull that draws them together. But the twin flame journey is not always an easy one. In fact, it is often described as a tumultuous and transformative experience. Twin flames are said to trigger each other's deepest wounds and insecurities, forcing them to confront their own shadows and start on a path of personal growth and healing. This dynamic is often referred to as the runner and chaser phase. One twin, often the one who is less emotionally available or who fears the intensity of the connection, may try to run away from the relationship. The other twin, feeling the pain of separation, may chase after them, hoping to rekindle the connection. This push and pull can be incredibly challenging, but it is also seen as an essential part of the twin flame journey. It is through this process of separation and reunion that both twins are forced to confront their own inner demons and do the necessary work to become whole and complete within themselves. Only then, when both twins have done the necessary inner work, can they truly come together in a harmonious and fulfilling union. This reunion is often described as a blissful and transformative experience, one that brings both twins to a new level of love, understanding, and spiritual growth. We will look deeper into the various stages of the twin flame journey, from the initial recognition to the final reunion. We will hear from individuals who believe they have found their twin flame as they share their personal stories of love, loss, and transformation. We will also explore the psychological and spiritual aspects of twin flame connections, examining the various theories and interpretations that have emerged over time. Through this exploration, we hope to shed light on the mysteries of twin flame connections and offer a deeper understanding of this powerful and enigmatic phenomenon. Whether you believe in twin flames or not, we invite you to join us on this journey of discovery as we explore the depths of the human heart and the mysteries of the soul. The twin flame journey is often described as a multifaceted odyssey, consisting of several distinct stages. These stages are not always linear, and individuals may experience them in different orders or revisit certain stages multiple times. But understanding these stages can provide valuable insights into the dynamics of twin flame connections and help individuals navigate the often turbulent waters of this unique relationship. The first stage is often referred to as recognition. This is the initial encounter between twin flames, a moment that is often marked by an intense sense of familiarity and recognition. It's as if the two souls have known each other before, perhaps in a past life or on a deeper spiritual level. This recognition can be accompanied by a strong physical and emotional attraction, a feeling of magnetic pull that draws the twins together. For some, this recognition is immediate and undeniable. They may feel an instant connection upon meeting their twin flame, a sense of coming home to themselves. For others, the recognition may be more gradual, unfolding over time as they get to know each other better. Regardless of the specific circumstances, the recognition stage is a pivotal moment in the twin flame journey, marking the beginning of a profound and transformative connection. Following recognition is the awakening stage. This is when both twins begin to realize the deeper significance of their connection. They may start to question their previous beliefs about love and relationships, as they experience a level of intimacy and connection that they have never known before. This awakening can be a powerful and disorienting experience, as it challenges the twins to confront their own shadows and accept their true selves. During this stage, twin flames often experience a period of intense personal growth and transformation. They may begin to question their life choices, their career paths, their relationships, and their overall purpose in life. This introspection can be both exciting and unsettling, as it forces the twins to step outside of their comfort zones and accept new possibilities. The awakening stage is also when twin flames often experience the runner and chaser dynamic. As the intensity of the connection becomes overwhelming, one twin, often the one who is less emotionally available or who fears the depth of the connection, may try to run away from the relationship. The other twin, feeling the pain of separation, may chase after them, hoping to rekindle the connection. This push and pull can be incredibly challenging for both twins. The runner may feel overwhelmed by the intensity of their emotions and try to distance themselves from the relationship. The chaser may feel abandoned and heartbroken, struggling to understand why their twin flame is pulling away. However, the runner and chaser dynamic is not simply a game of cat and mouse. It is a crucial part of the twin flame journey, as it forces both twins to confront their own inner demons and do the necessary work to become whole and complete within themselves. The runner needs to learn to face their fears and open themselves up to the possibility of true love. The chaser needs to learn to let go of control and trust in the divine timing of the relationship. Through this process of separation and reunion, both twins are given the opportunity to grow and evolve, both individually and as a couple. They learn to communicate their needs and desires more effectively, to set healthy boundaries, and to trust in the power of their connection. It is important to note that not all twin flame relationships experience the runner and chaser dynamic. Some twins may be able to navigate the intensity of their connection without experiencing this phase. However, for many, the runner and chaser dynamic is a necessary part of the journey, a catalyst for growth and transformation. Following the tumult of the runner and chaser dynamic, twin flames may enter a phase often termed as surrender. This stage is marked by a profound shift in perspective, a letting go of the need to control the relationship, and a deep acceptance of the divine timing of the journey. It's a recognition that the twin flame connection is not something that can be forced or manipulated, but rather a process that unfolds organically according to a higher plan. During this stage, twin flames may experience a sense of peace and tranquility that contrasts sharply with the turbulence of the previous phases. They may begin to focus on their own personal growth and healing, recognizing that true union can only occur when both individuals are whole and complete within themselves. This is a time for introspection, self-reflection, and the release of old patterns and beliefs that no longer serve them. Surrender is not about giving up on the relationship, but rather about releasing the need to control it. It's about trusting in the universe, in the divine plan, and in the power of the twin flame connection itself. It's about recognizing that even in separation, there is a deeper bond that cannot be broken, a soul connection that transcends time and space. The surrender stage can be a challenging one, as it requires a great deal of faith and trust. But it is also a deeply rewarding stage, as it allows twin flames to deepen their connection to themselves and to the universe. It is through surrender that they are able to open themselves up to the possibility of true love and lasting union. If both twins are able to successfully navigate the surrender stage, they may eventually reach the final stage of the journey: reunion. This is the long-awaited moment when both twins have done the necessary inner work and are ready to come together in a harmonious and fulfilling union. Reunion is often described as a blissful and transformative experience, a culmination of all the lessons and challenges that the twins have faced along the way. It is a time of deep healing, forgiveness, and unconditional love. The twins may feel a sense of completion and wholeness, as if they have finally found their missing piece. The reunion stage is not simply a happy ending to a fairy tale. It is the beginning of a new chapter in the twin flame journey, a chapter filled with love, growth, and purpose. The twins may continue to face challenges and obstacles, but they now have the tools and the strength to overcome them together. It's important to remember that not all twin flame relationships reach the reunion stage in this lifetime. Some twins may choose to focus on their own individual paths, while others may not be ready to fully accept the intensity of the connection. But even if reunion does not occur in this lifetime, the twin flame journey can still be a deeply transformative and rewarding experience. The twin flame journey is a unique and powerful experience that can bring about profound personal growth and transformation. It is a journey of self-discovery, healing, and unconditional love. It is a journey that challenges us to confront our deepest fears and accept our true selves. And it is a journey that ultimately leads us to a deeper understanding of love, connection, and our place in the universe. The concept of twin flames is often met with both fascination and skepticism. While many individuals resonate deeply with the idea of a profound soul connection, others question its validity, raising concerns about its potential for idealization and emotional dependency. It is essential to explore both perspectives to gain a comprehensive understanding of this complex phenomenon. Those who resonate with the twin flame concept often describe it as a life-changing experience. They speak of a love that is deeper, more intense, and more transformative than anything they have ever known. They believe that their twin flame is their perfect mirror, reflecting both their strengths and their weaknesses, and helping them to become the best version of themselves. For these individuals, the twin flame journey is a sacred one, a path to spiritual awakening and enlightenment. They see their twin flame as a catalyst for personal growth, a guide who helps them to shed their old patterns and beliefs and accept their true purpose in life. But not everyone shares this perspective. Some view the twin flame concept as an idealized notion of love, a romantic fantasy that can lead to unrealistic expectations and disappointment. They argue that the intensity of twin flame connections can be overwhelming and even destructive, leading to codependency and emotional turmoil. Critics also raise concerns about the potential for misinterpreting intense relationships as twin flame connections. They argue that the feelings of recognition, attraction, and familiarity that are often associated with twin flames can also be present in other types of relationships, such as soulmates or karmic connections. Some skeptics question the lack of scientific evidence to support the twin flame concept. They argue that the phenomenon is rooted in spirituality and personal experience, rather than empirical data, and therefore cannot be considered a valid scientific theory. Despite these criticisms, the twin flame concept continues to resonate with a growing number of individuals around the world. It offers a framework for understanding intense and transformative relationships, a language for expressing the depths of human connection, and a path to spiritual awakening and personal growth. Whether you believe in twin flames or not, it is important to approach the concept with an open mind and a critical eye. It is important to be aware of the potential risks and challenges associated with twin flame relationships, as well as the potential benefits and rewards. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to accept the twin flame concept is a personal one. There is no right or wrong answer, only the path that feels right for you. If you are drawn to the idea of twin flames, it is important to explore it with curiosity, discernment, and an open heart. If you are skeptical, it is important to respect the experiences of those who believe, and to remain open to the possibility that there may be more to love and relationships than meets the eye. As we conclude our exploration of twin flames, it becomes evident that this phenomenon, while steeped in mystery and sometimes controversy, offers a compelling narrative of profound connection, personal growth, and spiritual awakening. Whether viewed through the lens of personal experience, spiritual teachings, psychological insights, or cultural representations, the concept of twin flames invites us to contemplate the deeper meaning of love, relationships, and our place in the universe. The twin flame journey, while not without its challenges, is ultimately a transformative one. It is a journey that encourages us to confront our shadows, heal our wounds, and accept our true selves. It is a journey that teaches us about unconditional love, forgiveness, and surrender. And it is a journey that ultimately leads us to a deeper understanding of our own souls and our connection to the divine. We invite you to continue your exploration of twin flames. Read the stories of others who have started on this journey. Explore the various spiritual teachings and psychological perspectives that shed light on this phenomenon. And most importantly, listen to your own heart and intuition. If the concept of twin flames resonates with you, accept it as a tool for personal growth and spiritual awakening. If it doesn't, that's okay too. There are many paths to love and enlightenment, and the most important thing is to find the path that feels right for you.